Let's ditch the confusion and get your USDT moving seamlessly from your Phantom wallet to your Bybit account with this quick tutorial. First things first, fire up your Phantom wallet and make sure you've got USDT ready to go. Take a quick peek to confirm your USDT balance. Knowing you have enough to cover the transfer and any potential fees is key. Now, head over to your Bybit account and navigate to the Assets section. Look for the Deposit button and click on it. This is where Bybit will generate the deposit address you need. Next, select USDT. It's the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Crucially, and this is super important, choose the Solana Sol network for your deposit. Phantom wallet primarily operates on the Solana blockchain, so selecting the correct network avoids losing your funds. Bybit will then display your unique USDT deposit address on the Solana network. Carefully copy this address. Double check that you've copied the whole thing, as even a single wrong character can lead to problems. Jump back to your Phantom wallet and tap the send icon. Typically an arrow pointing upwards. Paste the Bybit deposit address you just copied into the recipient address field. Now, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer to Bybit. Phantom will usually show you the estimated network fees for the transaction. Review everything carefully, the address, the amount, and the fees before hitting that send button. After confirming the transaction in Phantom, give it a few minutes to process. The speed depends on the Solana network's activity, but you'll usually see the USDT appear in your Bybit account relatively quickly. You can check the transaction status on both Phantom and Bybit. And that's it. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT will be safely sitting in your Bybit account, ready for trading or whatever you have planned. Remember to always double check addresses and networks to keep your crypto safe.